Welcome back, class. Hey, let's go over the answer to the quiz. Here we go. Well, let me go ahead and read it real quick for you. It's Mr. Albano is making 4 menus on his wall, and he's going to be painting them with chalkboard paint. And the size of those menus are 6 by 7.5 feet. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and find out what the area is for that. 6 times 7 equals 42. Excellent. Way to go, guys. And then now we have 6 times 1/2. Excellent. 6 halves or 3. So now we can take 42 plus 3 equals 45 feet squared. So we know that those menus are 45 feet squared. But you know what? We're not done there, are we? No, he has 4 of them in total. So we have to multiply that 45 square feet by 4. What is the answer you came up with? Excellent. Yes, that is 180 feet square. Way to go, guys. Hey, guys, we got one more thing we're going to go over, and that is going to be today's one more problem. This one problem here is very similar to your exit ticket today. So I want to go over it, make sure that you understand it. We have here, excuse me, Joe uses square tiles, some of which he cuts in half, to make the figure pictured above. If the square tile has a side length of 2.5 inches, what is the total area of the figure? Well, first of all, I'm going to count and see how many tiles I have because that's going to help me find out. Once I get the area, I have to multiply those tiles by that. So let's go ahead and get started. I see that I have how many whole tiles? Excellent, guys. Way to go. Let me find them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 whole tiles. So I can say I got 10 tiles plus how many half tiles do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have 6 half tiles. I spelled titles over here. All right. You know, one of the ways, since I'm very visual, I can see this. I can multiply 6 or divide it by 2 to give me the total number. Or if I need to, I'm very visual. I'm going to cut the square tiles in half. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to do one more. 5, 6. That's 1, 2, 3 whole tiles. So I know that 10 plus 3 equals 13 tiles. So I got that there. Now I got to figure out what is the area of each tile. So they gave us the area of each tile. I'm going to try to do a square here. Not sure if I'm that good with that. And it's 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches. So what is 2 times 2? Yes, it is 4. 2 times 1/2 is 1. 1/2 times 2 is 1. And 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. Now, guys, I want you to tell me what the total area of that square tile is. I'm pausing the video in 3, 2, 1, pause. Excellent, excellent, excellent. we have 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1/4 equals, and I heard it out there, you are correct, 6 1/4. So I'm going to multiply the 13 whole tiles that I have times 6 1/4. How do I do that? 13 times 6 plus 13 times 1/4. All right, I'm going to pause the videos to see if you can give me the total. Excellent, excellent, excellent. 13 times 6 is 78 plus 13/4. 13/4 is also 3 1/4, which gives you 81 1/4. Square inches, or 81 1/4 inches squared. So that's how much that tiled area covers. Guys, this is very much just like your exit ticket. But before we go to the exit ticket, let's go to a brain break. You guys deserve it. Let's see how roller coasters are made.
First steel custom coaster ever built in Coney Island. And as you know, Coney Island is probably the capital where the amusement industry really started. We came up with the idea of this new roller coaster, which is approximately 2,200 feet long, 115 feet tall. It's got this new vehicle. The roller coaster vehicle, historically, they've been always a multiple, even number, so 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. And the standard family right now is no longer of 4 people, but 3, 2 adults and 1 child. And so we are introducing this new vehicle with a 3 row of 3 people across to better fit the market at this present time. Once you have the site, and you can come up with some diagram of the layout that the coaster can have. And then based on the layout, you start calculating how high it needs to be. So because in that way you can determine how much energy that you need to go back into the station. And then based on the height and the length and the site, you're going to study what kind of figures you're going to be able to do with this coaster. Right now we can do things that it wouldn't even be possible to think about 10 or 15 years ago. They're an extremely sophisticated computer, and then which they calculate the speed, the acceleration. Based on the speed and acceleration, they calculate the size of the steel, and also the banking and the curving. And actually, we have other software right now that from the design, from the drawing of the structure, goes into manufacturing information for our manufacturing facility. Every single component is fitted to the one that goes before and after itself, and then being shipped into containers, come to the United States, and then where it's going to be erected. Like a bigger Lego, yeah. The entire project is probably between $9 to $10 million. We broke ground the first week in April, and we are trying to be open by Memorial Day weekend.
All right, guys, it's time to go to our exit ticket. You're going to be going to Google Classroom, Google Classrooms. You'll be going to your exit ticket. Your exit ticket, like I said, looks very much like the one that you have. It's going to be titled Math 5, has Thursday on it and today's date. And we're going to be using Mr. Albano's restaurant again. He wants to put this in the front of his front entrance. So please read the problem and answer it. I'll be seeing you next Tuesday, I believe. Y'all have a great weekend. I'm out. Have a great one.